I'm working on my 99 Dodge 3/4 ton pickup truck. And the radio just stopped working. So the radio that was in it still lit up and everything, but none of the stations they're all just static. AM, FM, didn't matter. And I had another one of those radios, the same thing out of another Chrysler. I plugged that in, and this one didn't light up or do anything at all. I'm sure I could have found another one of these radios, but instead of just putting one of these in it again, I got... Alright, so I bought a brand new radio here, so this is it. Alright, so let's install this. This radio was supposed to fit this truck. I'm noticing it's a little bit bigger, but you know what? I'm going to make it fit. That doesn't matter. First step is to remove this old radio. So, this nice easy access dash makes it very easy to unplug everything. So, I got the radio and the antenna unplugged. So that's all that. So let's get, now I think you just pull that off. There we go. Alright. So I missed wire. Alright, is this fitting here? This is definitely bigger. Alright, so you can see this new radio, it's a little too big for this hole, so we're gonna have to make this hole bigger. That fits pretty nice now. Kinda, except for this piece. I don't really need that. I'll put this back. This is what we have for plugs. So the back of the radio has this thing here. So they gave you this plug for it. Unfortunately, it's different than what was in the car. I always felt I've seen plenty of times where people cut these factory plugs off. I always feel that's a mistake. So what I ordered the other end that plugs into that. So what I have to do now is take these plugs